Hi guys! Samahan niyo ko mag-celebrate ang aming anniversary here sa UP Town Center. Alright, so while waiting for our reservation, dito muna kami sa time zone mag-play.
Oh, shoot mo, shoot mo. Wow! Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
Then, me and my daughter, we tried this VR experience game. O, diba? May pa-windy effect pa yan. By the way, hindi talaga siya ganyan ka-bilis gumalaw. Naka-fast forward lang kasi siya. Yan, after namin maglaro for the kanta-kanta muna, mga first songs.
Aslan!
And here we go, kainan na. So, ayan siya sa loob, walang masyadong ganong tao cause it's a weekday. And here are all the different foods that they offer.
Nana. Wow. Oh, wow. Ayun si Paul. Paano si Paul?
Anong trip yan, Naslang? Ano yan, Tina? French fries sa sinigang. Wow. Oh, wow.
Wow. Hi, baby. Oh, tapos na.
And of course, hindi pa lalagpasin ng aking anak ang ice cream. Bali yung flavor na pinili niya, yung green na yan, that's pistachio. Then, kayong bahala kung anong toppings ang gusto nyong ilagay. So,
Yeah,
ayan.
the spoon is there. Yan. Okay na?
O, diba? Mukhang masaya na masaya siya. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye!